Hello everyone, my name is Olga and today I would like to unbox rechargeable headlamp by FORTEM. And yes guys, I feel like it's definitely a great gift idea for yourself or your loved ones. You can take it with you fishing, camping. You can also take it with you car repairing. And yes, look at all of these additional pieces that are coming with it. And yes guys, I feel like it's definitely going to help me with some work in a basement. And yes, it comes with all of these adjusters. And yes, here's your headlamp itself. My first impression, it is super lightweight, but the design is very high quality. Look at this. Look at this lamp. So as you can see, there is different light switches, and here is your adjustable back strap. So yes guys, absolutely love it. And yes, so I just have to play with it a little bit to figure out how to make it shorter or make it longer. And yes, it actually is also, as you can see, it is also very stretchy. And yes, so I'm not sure if it's charged or not, but let's try to turn it on. And yes, this is the side light, as you can see right here. How cool is that? Absolutely love it. And yes guys, it comes with different modes as well. And yes guys, let me actually put it on. How cool is that? I can also actually wear it as a fashionable piece as well.